Banana. You said a banana? How do you say banana? It's toast. How do you say toast? Toast. That's not toast. How do you say milk? That is your milk. Is that how you say it? No, no. Are you done with it? All done. Okay. How do you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you say it again?
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you.
What? Can you say banana? Banana. Can you say more?
Duck.
Duck. How about dog?
Duck.
Duck. How about daddy?
Duck.
Do you see any ducks?
Duck.
Do you see a dog?
Duck. Duck.
Can you say mommy?
Duck.
Hey honey, can you say mommy? Can you say Annie? How about thank you?
Doggy.
Doggy? Where's the doggies? Hey kiddo. Where's your milk? Manny. Hey. Where's your milk? There it is. Is it good? Can you give me a high five? High five. Uh-oh, milk fell. Can you blow me a kiss? Ah, thank you. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Can Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hey honey, where's Daddy? What are you looking at?
Duck.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Can you... Is there music on? Do you want to dance? Can you play your guitar? There's no music on. We'll have to turn on the guitar music later. Say hi. Can you say bye-bye? What was that noise? Are you all done? Would you like out of your chair? Maddie, are you all done? Can you say all done? All done. Okay.